name is Liz Gooch and I'm with Calla Creative Ink. Today I want to talk to you more about your trade show. And really what you need at any trade show is a whole booth package. What you need a package for is that people are needing to spot you from way across the convention hall. And in order to do that, you need to have a pretty compelling booth. Oftentimes people suspend things from the ceiling. We do that. We also do a backdrop wall. We can do sides. We can do flooring. We can do table coverings. But let's just talk about the backdrop. The backdrop can be a step and repeat, if that's what you'd like, or it can be a whole display of all of your products and services that you sell. And what's going to happen is when people cherry pick who they want to visit, the more compelling your booth is, the more graphically intent it is, the better off you're going to be. Here at Calla Creative Ink, we'll make your trade show bloom. Give us a call today at 720-612-1376.